The technological shield which my father and the team created was a result of tireless innovation and sacrifice, and it did more than level the playing field. It gave Pakistan a voice that could no longer be ignored, and the strategic depth to protect its sovereignty. For over 2 decades, this deterrent has helped prevent full-scale war in South Asia, even in times of severe crisis. And that value was made especially clear again 2 weeks ago during the recent escalation with India. It was Pakistan's nuclear capability that maintained strategic balance, deterred aggression, and provided our leadership and armed forces with the confidence and freedom to act decisively. Empowered by that shield, they responded with strength, clarity, and precision, preserving peace, protecting sovereignty, and reaffirming that Pakistan will always defend its people from a position of strength. So, but my father was not only a scientist. My father was a humanitarian. He was a philanthropist, and those are the things I want to touch on as well. He was also a very dedicated family man. He was a wonderful father. I think my mother would say he was a pretty good husband, maybe not always, but usually. So I'll speak a little bit more about that and try and give you a little background into life at home. It's difficult as a member of the family to perceive someone the way he is perceived outside. To us, we grew up, he wasn't Dr. A.Q. Khan, this important man, he was my father. He was someone who we joked with, someone who got angry with us sometimes, someone who loved spending time with his family, someone who loved animals. He and my mother have always protected animals, looked after animals. We continue to do so at home. It was something very important to him.